In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post videos from Pictory. If you're someone looking to easily share your video creations, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can share your creations without a hitch. To get started first, head over to Pictory AI. This is where the magic happens, a home for AI video editing technology at your fingertips. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pictory website to initiate the sign-in process. Once you're on the Pictory homepage, look for the option to continue with Google. This is often the quickest way to gain access to your account, especially if you're already signed into Google on your device. Next, click on your account from the options presented. You'll be redirected to your dashboard where all your projects are stored. This space is where you can harness the powerful tools of Pictory to edit and enhance your videos, and it's where we'll continue from. Now find and click on the Projects tab. This section of the website serves as your video vault, housing each of your creations. Browse through your list of projects to find the one you're ready to share with the world. As you locate your desired project, look for the three dots typically found somewhere near your project's thumbnail or title. Clicking these will unveil more options related to your project, such as editing or downloading. With these options now visible, select Edit Project. This will open your project into edit mode, where you can finalize any last-minute tweaks before preparing to download and post. Make sure your video is just how you want it, whether it's a matter of trimming down a scene or adjusting the audio levels. After ensuring everything is in place, the next step is to download the video to your device. Click on the Download button. Here you might see options to download with or without a watermark. Choose based on your needs, keeping in mind that a watermark may be necessary for branding or copyright reasons. Let the download process begin and wait for the file to save on your device. Depending on the file size and internet speed, this might take a bit of waiting time. Patience will ensure you get the best quality for sharing. Finally, upload your freshly downloaded video to the platform of your choice, be it YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or another. Each platform has its own upload process, so navigate to their upload section, select your file, and let it do the work. And that's it. You're now equipped to post videos from Pictory. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these tools, the more smoothly you'll be able to share your video creations. Thanks for watching and happy posting!